dedicated to my daughter and all the parents out there raising children with autism. To my little girl, your birth brought a new chapter in my life, filled and loaded up with both joy and difficulties. But through it all, I have remained calm for you. It has been a journey of transformation and bliss. I have learned that love can come from hardship and different challenges. I am the one who sees your unique brilliance, your beautiful soul, and your extraordinary talent. You are an adorable person. I don't know what are you thinking, but I love when you keep looking at me with pure love that makes me feel relaxed. However, I know I was super tired, but your presence, your charm give me power and makes me stronger and stronger. To all the incredible mothers of courage, I am sending you warm hugs, boundless encouragement, and a heartfelt smile to brighten your day. You are doing an incredible job. Different, not less, autism acceptance. The way she keeps looking at me with love heals everything in the moment. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, then please subscribe to my channel.